we see what is a linear pair of angles. So linear pair of angles are, it's a pair, so there are two angles, or the angles on a line. If you see in the first figure, here we have a line. This is the line, and here is a ray. So these, from here to here, if we go, we have two angles. We have this angle 1, and I'll call this X, and I have another angle here, and that is Y. X and Y are linear pairs. X, Y are said to be linear pair of angles. We can have here two. Look at the next figure. Here again we need to have first a line. That's most important for a linear pair. We need to have a line, and then we have here a ray. And now if we start from one to another, here we get two angles. This is one angle. I'll call this A, and then we have, this is the other angle, and we call it B. So here I can say A and B is a linear pair. There's one property of a linear angle is, if you add them up, like X plus Y will be equal to 180. Here again A plus B will be equal to 180. Now for the first sum, OA and OB are opposite rays. So this is our OA, and OB are opposite rays. If X is equal to 75, find Y. So here we can spot and see there is a linear pair. So I need this is a straight line, and on the straight line I have this, so I have a linear pair. So my linear pair would be, I start from here and I go right around. So this is my linear pair, these two angles, that is angle, this angle from here to here, this angle Y, and on the other side we have here this angle. So these two angles form a linear pair. So we have angle AOC plus angle, the green angle, that is BOC. And according to the property, when I add both the angles, equal to 180. Now that is, let's work further. That is Y plus X equal to 180. Now they said our X is 75, so let's put the value. 75 equal to 180. So Y will be 180 minus 75, and Y will be 105. Now here again, OA and OB are opposite rays. If Y is 110, find the value of X. So let's see, we have a linear pair. So we have a straight line here, and on this straight line we have this ray. And if you notice now, we start from one and we go on to the other. So we have a linear pair. Now this linear pair is made up of two angles. This is one angle, and we call that angle as angle AOC. And then we have the other angle here, from here to here. And this angle is angle BOC. So angle AOC and angle BOC form a linear pair. If they form a linear pair, we can write angle AOC plus angle BOC equals 180. Now we look up at the figure, we see that AOC is, here is AOC, that is y plus x equals 180. And the value of y is given to us is 110. So 110 plus x equal to 180. So x equal to 180 minus 110. So x equal to 70. Now we'll go to the next sum. These two sums are from the RD. We'll call it sum number 3. It has got two parts. Look at the first part. X equal to 25. What is the value of y? Once again, let's first identify or spot the linear angles, for which I require a line. So this is my line, and here this is the rays. So here I have my linear. I start from one part and I go on to the other part of the line. So here I have two angles like earlier. This is one angle, and then here is the other angle. So both these angles, when you add up, you should get 180. So one angle, this angle is angle AOC, and the other angle here is this orange one, is angle BOC. AOC and BOC are linear pairs. Which means if I add them up together, if I add angle AOC plus angle BOC, I should get 180. You look up in the figure and you will see that AOC here is 2y plus 5, and BOC is given as 3x equal to 180. Again, the value of x here is given as 25. So I'm going to substitute that. So for x, I'm going to put 25, which is given to me, and I work my sum up. So 2y plus 5, 75 equal to 180. And now I can add up 5 and 75. And 5 plus 75 is 80 equal to 180. So you have 2y equal to, I take the 80 on the other side, so I get 80 minus 180 minus 80. So y equal to 100, and in the end I will have y equal to 100 by 2, and that is 50. Now in the next sum, here again we have a line AOB. So this is our AOB, and now here we have two rays, one ray here and one ray here. Let's spot our linear or our angles on a straight line. So we start from one part of the line and we go right across and we come to the other part. Here we encounter three angles. One is this green angle, so we write 25 plus, then we encounter this angle, which is our y, and then we encounter the third angle, this one, which is here 15. Now all these angles, when you add up, it will be 180 because they are on a straight line, and the reason here we write it's 180 because angles on a straight line. And now let's solve this. So we have 25 plus y plus 15 equals 180. So we add up 25 and 15. So we have y plus 25 and 15 will be 40 equal to 180, and y will be 180 minus 40, and your y will be 140.